Alright guys, time to review on this Jordan's Crunchy Granola. This is organic, raisins and coconut. This was on sale, that's why I picked it up. And let's take a look at the ingredients. So, there we go. If you guys want to read that, pause it. And there's the nutrient panel. Alright, let's open this up. I've never tried this one, so I'll give you guys a quick review. Alright, so here's a good look. So you can see the coconut flakes. Let's see what the granola tastes like. It's subtly sweet. You have a hint of the aroma from the coconut. Other than that, it tastes like regular granola. Just on the organic side. Alright, if you have any questions or comments, guys, post below or subscribe to the channel.